Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy networking events with Eventbrite, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an Eventbrite account if you don't already have one. Visit the Eventbrite website and click on sign up in the top right corner. Fill in your details, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Once your account is set up, log in to your Eventbrite dashboard. Click on the Create Event button, usually located on the top right. Select whether you want to create a single event or a series of events. Input your event title, choosing a name that clearly reflects the essence of your networking event. Next, set the event type by selecting Networking from the drop-down menu. Fill in the event description with relevant details, including the purpose and what attendees can expect. Add your event location, choosing between a physical venue or a virtual option. If your event is taking place at a specific venue, enter the address and ensure it's accurate. For online events, include the video conferencing link and any necessary access instructions. Select your event date and time, ensuring it fits the schedules of potential attendees. Choose the ticket types you'll offer, such as free or paid tickets, and set the quantities available. In the Tickets section, clearly outline any fees, discounts, or promotional codes. Set up any additional features such as early bird pricing or group discounts if applicable. Next, customize your event page by uploading an eye-catching banner image or logo. Provide important event details like the organizer's name and contact information for inquiries. Set up registration options by deciding whether attendees need to register in advance or if they can join at the door. Review your event settings, paying attention to privacy options and registration limits. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button to make your event live. Promote your networking event by sharing it on social media and inviting relevant contacts. Monitor registrations through your Eventbrite dashboard as the event approaches. After the event, consider sending a follow-up email to attendees thanking them for coming and sharing any resources discussed. Lastly, analyze the event performance using Eventbrite's analytics tools to gather insights for future networking events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.